Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Bee, and on today's video I have a really exciting reveal. And yeah, I just wanted to say I'm sorry because I haven't been posting a lot of videos lately and a lot of things have been going on, but yeah, I really hope to be back to more regular videos. And today I wanted to share this reveal because it's very exciting for me, and I really hope that you enjoy it. So let's jump into the video. Guys, first of all, I would like to show you some pieces that I recently got from Read Your Heart, which is a brand that I have talked about here on my YouTube channel before. I absolutely love this brand. I'm in love. I have so many pieces from them now, and I just want to show you what I got because this is something that I'm sure that you're going to love. So let's start with the first piece here. So I ordered 3 pieces that I want to show you. And the first piece is this beautiful ring, which I absolutely love. So this is the Moissanite chain interlocking Pave eternity wedding band. Look how gorgeous it is. It's so beautiful. I love the design. It's super beautiful. And I like to wear it here. They are made out of Moissanite, which is a beautiful stone which shines so beautifully. And it's sterling silver, so they are great quality and they look amazing. You have no idea how many compliments I have had from Read Your Heart pieces, and I just enjoyed them a lot. So here it is. Look how beautiful and dainty this piece is. So it looks like real diamonds in my opinion, and I love this jewelry for every day. So I feel super comfortable wearing it. I can do my daily life with this jewelry on, and they have been amazing. They have great quality, so definitely check them out. I'm gonna link everything below. So let's move on to the next piece, which is this other beautiful ring that I'm in love with. The very first time I saw it, I was like, oh my god, I have to have it because it's so beautiful. I love that this one has a very modern style in my opinion. So it has the stones, I don't know if you can see, but it has some stones between each chain, and it looks so elegant and also very modern. So this is how it looks. I think it's super beautiful. When I saw it, I knew I had to have this piece, and I absolutely love it. It's so gorgeous. It is a Moissanite chain interlocking Pave eternity wedding band. I like to use it by itself. I think it stands a lot by itself, so I like to wear this one like this, not stuck with any other ring, and I absolutely love it. I think it goes perfectly with my Hermes ring. Last but not least, I'm going to show you the next piece. This beautiful ring is a halo oval cut Moissanite Pave sterling silver engagement ring. It's absolutely gorgeous, you guys. You can see how dainty it is. It looks so luxurious and elegant. This one, I love the shape because it's oval, so it gives me like retro vibes. And look how beautiful it shines. There you can see the high quality of these pieces. They have stunning pieces and they have loads and lots of pieces. I am in love with everything. So probably I'm gonna be making another video from Read Your Heart very soon because I love their pieces. They also have earrings, pendants, necklace, bracelets, and they have so many beautiful pieces. These are stunning. Look how beautiful it looks by itself. So elegant. And the shine, you guys, you have no idea how beautiful it looks. And I like to stack it with this other beautiful Criss-Cross Moissanite ring, and it looks amazing. Look how good it looks. Of course, I like to also wear each of them separately because each piece is so unique and beautiful, but I think this one together looks so amazing. I just absolutely love it. So yeah, guys, they gave me an exclusive code, and this discount is brunette15, so you can enjoy 15% off site-wide. So be free to use this code and you won't regret it. Just check them out. I'm pretty sure that you're going to love their pieces and that you're gonna end up buying beautiful pieces from Read Your Heart. So I also wanted to mention that they come with this certificate. So here it is. here you have more information about the Moissanite stones, which are beautiful, and I've been a fan. And they also provide this little booklet with a little bit of the story behind the brand, which is very amazing. I love it, so check it out. And also provide a little cloth to keep your pieces pristine and perfect. So yeah, guys, these are the 3 pieces that I got from With Your Heart. I absolutely love them. What do you guys think? I think that they elevate any style, and you look automatically more elevated, polished, and more sophisticated. Okay guys, so let's move on to this part of the video, which I'm gonna reveal. So I'm gonna tell you a little bit of the story behind it. This bag, it's been on my wish list for 4 years or almost 5 years. So I used to, well, where I live, I don't have an Hermes store, so I had to travel anytime that I wanted to go to the store. They do ship some things to my home, but of course quarter bags, no, they cannot do that. So I have to travel to pick up any piece that is a quarter bag or yeah, some bags. They ship belts, and they have shipped my ring, twillies, scarves, all of that. I don't know, maybe it depends on the price point. I don't really know what it is, but I used to have a great essay in a city that's about 3 hours driving from where I live. He was amazing, and he was the one that offered me my first quarter bag, which is my Birkin 25 in toggle leather in gold. I'm gonna show you just for an eye candy. So this is a bag that was offered to me at first with this great essay that I used to have. He also managed to find a lot of pieces that I wanted when I was initiating my Hermes journey. So, oh my god, I just love this bag. It still smells amazing. And yeah, he offered me also other quarter bags like my Mini Kelly in a tube, my Constance bag, and then he left the brand. The brand assignated another essay to me. She's very nice, don't get me wrong, but I didn't think that I had a lot of connection with her. I don't know why. So I never met her in person. Everything was everything I bought from her was by distance. So yeah, after a few years, I think it was about 2 years later, well, I bought other bags like my Picotan 18, an Evelyn, and in a tube as well. She offered me a quarter bag, which is another bag that I haven't revealed here on my YouTube channel. So probably I'm gonna let that one for another video, I don't know. But yeah, I went and picked up my quarter bag, but I didn't feel like, well, this was the first time that we met each other in person, so I didn't feel like we had a connection, to be honest, even though she's very nice and everything. But a friend that I have on Instagram, she went to another city in the country where I live, and she told me, I met this great essay, he's new, maybe you should try him. I was very scared at first because I was like, okay, I already built like a connection with my essay. She offered me a quarter bag. Well, actually she offered me another bag before the one that I bought, which is a Mini Kelly in blue, and I had to reject that bag because I didn't like it. Well, it's not that I don't like it, it's just not my colorway, and it's a color that I never buy. I don't use this color. I think it's beautiful for other people. I can appreciate it from afar, but yeah. So I was a little bit scared of changing essay because I already built a connection. She already offered me a quarter bag. I traveled to another city, which is easier for me to get to that city because I have plenty of things to do work-wise and family-wise over there. So it's easier for me to travel to this new city. And I had an instant click with this new essay. Of course, I told him like I've been buying for several years. I used to have this essay, then Hermes assigned a new essay. I told him everything, and he was very understanding. He told me like, it's up to you, but I decided to take the chance. And I think it was like the best decision that I have made, because since the very first time that I visited him, he offered me a bag that I wanted. So I'm gonna do a different video to show you which bag that is. It's not a quarter bag, but it's a bag that I had in my wish list. I think I've met him like not even a year ago, and he offered me a new bag, a quarter bag that was on my wish list. So now let's jump into the reveal. Sorry, because I really wanted to tell you a little bit of the story behind it, but yeah. So I totally recommend that if you don't feel comfortable with your essay, change. Don't feel afraid to do so, because I think that when you have a connection, like a true connection with your essay, it's easier. And they will understand you better, and they will you know, have you present when they receive things, and you are going to be more comfortable telling them what is on your wish list. So this is what happened. And he offered me a bag before this one. I am going to show you at the end of this video, because I didn't film any unboxing for that bag here on my YouTube channel. But yeah, this is, I'm very excited about, because this is a bag that I didn't have in my collection. I used to have, well, I have a Birkin, I have a Mini Kelly, I have a Constance, Evelyn, Picotin, and this bag was not on my collection. So I'm very excited because of this, and because this has been on my wish list for 5 years now. So let's move on, and later I'm gonna show you what I got. So this is the bag that it came with, the beautiful orange box, which is very exciting and beautiful. I think orange is now one of my favorite colors. And let's remove the ribbon. Oh my god, you guys, I am so excited. Here is the proof of purchase and the booklet. Oh my god, and to reveal is this beautiful. So this is the Kelly 25. One thing I have to mention, guys, is that this is not the leather that I was expecting, and it is not the first choice of color. My first choice of color was a taupe. Okay, but how beautiful. This is Swift leather. It's very delicate. I can see already, like, I don't know what that is, but I had to say yes to this bag. This new essay, it was very open, and he was willing to work with me. So he offered me before this bag 2 Birkins. The first one was in Gris Meyer, which is a beautiful color, but it was in size 35. So if you've been following me for a while, you must already know that I'm very petite. I'm a tiny woman, so that bag would be huge. I mean, this is Birkin 25 and Kelly 25, and look how big they look against my frame. So that is the reason why I have to reject it. And then he offered me a Birkin 25. It was in Gris Neve or something like that. It's beautiful, don't get me wrong, but the color is, it has like a green undertone. I didn't quite like it. I mean, when I saw the picture, I was like, it doesn't make my heart sing. So rejected, and I think it was because this was waiting for me. So this is the Kelly 25 in Swift leather. I really hope this leather holds throughout time. I don't know, I think it's very delicate, but oh my god, you guys, this was the second color choice that I had on my wish list for the Kelly 25, because you know that I love neutrals, and my favorite color from Hermes is actually gold, and secondly a taupe. So basically all my bags are those colors. So look how beautiful it is, you guys. I love this bag. I definitely wanted the retourné version because I think it's more relaxed and more casual. And since my style is more casual, and also, I mean, I don't live like in New York City or Paris or London. I don't live in a very important city where I have lots of places to go and, you know, to dress very elegant. No, my life is pretty simple. So this suits me better, I think. I do like the Kelly in the Cellular version, which is very beautiful as well. So, oh my god, you guys, I'm in love. You have no idea. My heart definitely sings with this bag. This is the clochette with the beautiful lock and the little key. So I'm gonna put it here. Let me know if you put the clochette on your bags. I definitely do on the Birkin. I think it looks good, but as this opens like this, and the flap opens like this, I think this is always going to be like going backwards. So I don't know if I'm gonna leave it there or remove it, but for now I'm putting it there. I think it looks very beautiful. And here is the strap. So here it is, the stamp, and this leather feels so luxurious and so smooth. So here it is. Look at the leather. It's just so smooth. I'm aware that I'm gonna have to be very careful with this bag, and yeah, I do baby my bags a lot, so probably it's not going to be so hard for me, but well, I'm planning to enjoy this bag and use it, but definitely take care of it. And yeah, guys, I just wanted to share with you a bonus on this video, because I didn't make the proper unboxing here, but I wanted to share this bag with you. Of course, I was very excited when I got it, but it's not the same with this one, because that one I already had one in different colors. So look at this. Ta-da! Oh my god, you guys, so this is my beautiful mini Kelly in gold color, which I love. This is Epsom leather. I unboxed this on my Instagram account, so if you follow me there, you already seen this bag, and I have styled it a lot. I just wanted to show you the 3 beautiful trifecta that I have here. Let me know which one is your favorite. Oh my god, the mini Kelly is so cute, and it's so convenient for me. I think it looks perfect on my frame, to be honest, and I think it's perfect for a lot of occasions, because yeah, it's very lightweight. It holds like the essentials, and you can, well, I can crossbody it because my frame is too small, so I can do so, and I feel very comfortable using it that way, and also use it like top handle bag. So this was the bag that was missing in my collection. I also want to show you guys the 2 twillies that I got, which are so beautiful. So the first one is this in blue and a little bit of orange and gold. It's so beautiful. This is the name of the twilly in case you're interested. It has like the equestrian style, and I absolutely love the color combination. I think this looks so good against the gold color, so probably I'm gonna be wearing this one today. And the other one is this beautiful, it's the same one. I already used this one, that's why it's a little bit, well, it's very wrinkled, but it's the same style in different colorway. I absolutely love this design, and also looks amazing. Looks perfect against the gold color. Yeah guys, I really hope that you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and comment in the section below which one is your favorite. Let me know if you have already tried Read Your Heart pieces. Yeah guys, thank you for watching, and see you till my next one. Bye guys.